Hello and welcome with another video. I'm Professor Dr.MChem from Dr.MChem Institute of Chemistry, University of St. Jamshedpur. Right now, I've just finished up checking my students' logbooks and their journals of morning and evening batches. So up till now, the morning and the evening batches, they have been assigned four organic compounds for identifying and exploring through our series of steps, that is preliminary examinations, detection of elements, and classification tests and other physical properties. So now they are quite, they have the expertise now to explore these compounds where these different steps, going through different steps. And I thought that I must update my viewers, update my students, that up till now they have been assigned four compounds to explore during these 1.5 months, and they have been on the weekly basis. Of course, they are doing it. So they have now the first compound handed over to them was a known compound, and then I handed them over the unknown ones, starting from penanitroacetanilide, then I've given them, of course, the second compound was benzoic acid as a known compound, because it was something very simple to explore and identify. Then I've given them the third one, the picric acid, and then I have given them this week. I gave them salicylic acid, and they are now performing different tests for the salicylic acid. And after that, I will again give them, because I should have at least they should explore at least five to six compounds. So just to be ready for the examination, and I will definitely hand over them two more compounds. So almost 7 compounds they are supposed to finish up before the examination, before their semester examination. So I thought I must update my students also, and I must update them, because they must know that this much work is still pending, and they are supposed to be very regular. Some of them are regular, some are not. Some are very good in submitting their journals, their logbooks within the given period of time, but some of them are very slow. So please get ready, and please speed up your inputting your data in your journals. Thank you very much.